Describe a day in your life from
Mm,
morning till evening.
Morning, we wake up, we have a morning prayer. Then I prepare myself, I go to work. At work, I'm starting at 8 a.m. and the routine continue until 4, sorry, 10. And at 10, we are going for break, tea break. Then we go back to class until 13 hours, we say. And there is where is our lunch break is. We go for 1 hour lunch break. Then we go back to class mm, at saa 9:30. Then we just go home.
Okay.
Mm.
Um, so unapoenda labda kazini unatumia usafiri gani?
Usafiri wa kawaida tu, public transport.
Public transport. Um, so tell us about your education level of your child, if you have a child.
I don't have any.
Don't have any.
Mm.
Um, Describe a typical day at the educational program school
At school.
from morning.
From morning we start at 8, as I said, and we'll have like 4 lessons, different lessons. Then we go for tea break. Then we come back, we learn 3 lessons. We go for lunch break. We learn 1 lesson, then homework. Then we relax and go home.
What does education mean to you for your child or student?
It's very important
Okay.
for their future life.
So can we go back to the first question? Tell us about the education level of your students.
They are at primary level.
What are your aspirations for in terms of education for your students?
Okay, they are supposed to aim higher, I can say, always to aim higher. Yeah, not to think that the level which they are is the end. They are supposed to think that, okay, I need to go further, to further my education, maybe to secondary level, up to the even university level.
What are the types of education for which your students have?
Type, what do you mean?
Like maybe science, history.
Okay. They have all subjects, mixture of arts and science.
Okay.
For the primary level, they never choose. They just learn all of them.
Okay. Can you explain more about what types of education they have?
They'll be have home skills education. They'll be having, professional educations. How can I say that? Example like science. They need to learn about their body, how people they be treated. And for the arts, they are learning about how the society in general they live.
What are the main challenges you face in getting those education needs fulfilled?
We have a challenge, especially for I, which I'm working at the private sector. Most of the time, we have challenge of administrations.
Okay, so explain challenges of administration.
Every day you may find that we are having a new owner. Like my leader in my department, every day they are being changed. So it's like you learn this one, after a few days you have to learn another one, like that.
The system changes.
Yes. And another one, material, teaching material, it's also a problem. They don't have enough material for the kids to learn, like computers. And also they don't have, the transport also it's not that good. They don't have good transportation for them to come and go back home.
Okay. Any other challenges?
Other challenges maybe also, but this one is for the side of the parents. Most of the time they fail to pay their fee regularly.
Yeah. And you said about transportation, public school transportation. Those transportations, are they scarce, meaning maybe they have less transportation or they don't have transportation at all at school?
They have scarce. They only have 2 buses while the population is almost like 400 kids.
And what do you wish for in terms of solutions for those challenges?
Mm, I wish they can get more transports. They can add more number of transports so that the kids can be comfortable coming and going back to their home place. And also for the teaching material to be added a little bit more, like computers, which is very important. And also in terms of administrations, they should make sure that, if they are, let's say they are going to hire a person, they should evaluate and check him if he's qualified for that position instead of changing time to time.
Okay, and what would your students be able to do if they received the education you aspired for?
Performing more higher, and also I think they'll reach even the higher level like university, secondaries, etc. Yeah.
Is there anything else you want to tell us about the education part, apart from all this?
Maybe I would like to talk about the system, the way it's changed, the system of the country. For nowadays, it's become a little bit difficult for the child to go back, to repeat another class if the child is not that good or is not qualified to move to another class. Means he's supposed to just continue because the system does not allow it completely. The child is supposed to start with a number from class 1 up to university level. So if you find the child which is a bit slow learner, you may find it is hard for him just to continue while he cannot do well because of the number of the government which they provided. So that is a bit challenge. Yeah.
How has COVID changed everything in education?
It has changed a lot because for our system, the syllabus is supposed to be end in 190 days. But because of the COVID, we had to end a less bit more days, like I can say 80 to 90 days for that syllabus, which most of the slow learner cannot catch up with that syllabus because there are many things to learn while the time is very short. Yeah.
Okay. And in terms of the time duration changing, so what have you guys done to improve the skills or to put some
more knowledge to those kids?
Yes, according to the time period, like you guys have short period to do exams, you have short period, so they have to cover all those time they didn't go to school.
Yes, they have to cover all the time which they didn't go to school, but we had the challenge. We tried to increase number of hours so that they can learn more and cover those syllabus which they're supposed to learn. But we came to the challenge that most of the government school, they are not being given food at school. So increasing the number of hours, it has been a problem. So yeah, so we had to go back to the same hours. But inside those the same hours, we have to choose only the main point to teach them. For the rest of the things, the skills, the normal skills which they are supposed to acquire, they are no longer acquiring.